For 3 decades, Ocaquatics Swim School has offered its services teaching swimming for kids of all levels and water safety courses for parents. This Sunday, with music, mascots, and fun, it welcomed its community to celebrate its 30-year anniversary. Started in 1994 by then 22-year-old Miran Oka. A alumni, she started teaching in the campus swimming pool and in backyards for families. Now, after 30 years, her business has become more than a job. It's become a passion.
And it is the most amazing business and most amazing work that I could be doing with my life. So I love my job so much.
Ocaquatics isn't only about swimming. In addition to the lessons they provide, Ocaquatics is often involved in the local community through donations it makes to several environmental foundations as well as initiatives it runs relating to efforts to create a more sustainable environment. Their work expands past the confines of a swimming pool.
Part of our mission is to help our team members develop in this framework of social and environmental responsibility, because we want to build our business, but in a sustainable way. And that's what we want, is we want to grow a business that can be a force for good in the community.
Such efforts earned Ocaquatics a designation as a certified B Corporation for their social impact, the first swim school to do so. This was highlighted by their several environmental partners who were at the event. Clean Miami Beach, Blue Missions, and the Community Resilience Pod, along with others, held stations educating kids and parents on how they can contribute to creating a better environment. Ocaquatics' impact isn't just related to the environment, though. Over the years, Miran has helped create a community, starting with her staff.
It's been amazing. Honestly, I wouldn't be the person that I am today without Miran or Ocaquatics. When I started 10 years ago, I was just a very shy person, really starting out in life, and she really helped me grow and become a better person and a better individual.
Through the staff she's helped build, Ocaquatics has helped create long-time connections with the families they help teach.
Day one, the staff has always been welcoming. Anything that we ever needed as parents for our kids, the staff have always been there.
So as much as this anniversary was a celebration of a swimming school, it was a celebration of 30 years of hard work that has shaped the community.
To this team right here. Come on, everybody!
For UMTV, I'm Shea McDonald.